Agbola, representing the Kolia Federal Constituency. I'm an Ekiti man. Mr. Speaker, I rise with pains in my heart. This morning, or maybe this afternoon, more or less regretting being a Nigerian. It's as bad as that. Mr. Speaker, it's as if the leadership of this nation is confused. It's as if the security chief in this nation are misadvising Mr. President, and yet Mr. President had so much confidence in the security structure. Mr. Speaker, it is easy for Mr. President to be in a haste to commit Nigerian funds that were not appropriated for security matters, yet every day there were killings. I am not sure if thinking about 2020 is the solution to problem in 2018. If men of God who are gathering to pray for this nation can be murdered in God code in this manner, Mr. Speaker, and we are here without coming up with a serious resolution, Nigerians will ask us. It is time we rise, Mr. Speaker, to demand from Mr. President, even if he cannot resign, he should immediately terminate the appointment of all the security chiefs. I wonder what Nigeria is up to. We always run after individuals, few individuals that rise to speak against the nation. When General T.Y. Danjuma spoke that there was immense plan and collusion with the military for ethnic cleansing, people were saying it was not true. Mr. Speaker, on a daily basis, they are killing people in the north-central region of this nation. It is not as bad during Boko Haram. Today, the EU is worse. Mr. Speaker, I plead with the House that the body of Christ in this nation is being threatened on a daily basis. Even when the Boko Haram started, it was the churches that were being bombed. Today, even when they put money down for rehabilitation of the Northeast, what have they done for the body of Christ? Mr. Speaker, we won't take it, and we rise to speak on behalf of the brethren in the nation that it is time for Nigeria to think about this. If Mr. President is not ready to step down, Nigeria should rise up and prepare for a greater change. Change the change, and let us have a peaceful reign. It is better to be alive. It is better to live in a better economy. It is better to have a reasonable young person leading this nation. Mr. President, we are sad with the events. In a situation where President will visit and he will say he does not know that the IG is not somewhere, what is Mr. President up to? In a situation where Mr. President will get to foreign nations and he will be backlashing Nigerians when he himself has failed. Mr. President, this House today must resolve. We must resolve to inform Mr. President to sack all the security chiefs. And we must immediately find solutions to all this. If you have the DSS, if you have the GMI, if you have the military agencies, and yet you cannot find out by coordinating your information, security information, and prevent the occurrences of shedding of blood on a daily basis, then we don't want wasting our resources on Nigerian security. I think I better go with the word of General T.Y. Danjuma that every Nigerian should rise to defend themselves. It is enough time for us to bypass the leadership of this nation who is doing nothing for Nigeria. Thank you, Mr. President.